My name is Usman and I am a natural language processing data scientist at Tucken Medicine and also Maria Curie doctoral PhD at Glasgow Caledonian University. Well, of course, what I do is mostly in the area of natural language processing and large language model. This bootcamp training, I would say, is one of the best moment in my entire career life, in a way that it gave me the taste of what hands-on learning means, which might not be found elsewhere, especially with the hype of large language model. So it's a kind of hybrid combination of science and industry application in a way that you might not find that in any book. I really like the attention is all you need session where we really kind of distill and dissect the attention mechanism of the large language model. The tutors are amazing. They have the excellent teaching skill and the patience to take any query. Raja, Kartik, Louise, and Ahmed have done a very great job. Data Science Dojo Large Language Model Bootcamp is for everyone. That's what I would say. And I think professional-wise, any professional within the industry could find this very useful, whether a project manager or a techie programming type guy. And within this 5 days, I find it in a way that all my questions has been answered and I have found the direction to keep things moving forward. I would really recommend signing up for this course, whether in person or virtual. You would have the entire immersion into the ecosystem of large language model, and you would have all the skills and tools you need to take things forward in a way that suits you. But there is nothing compared to being in person, face to face, and having to meet the people who do the work in real life and learn from them. I traveled away from Glasgow to Seattle to take this course, and you might find that kind of very long journey. Indeed it is, but I would say that of all the self-learning I've done online, I wouldn't compare being in person in Seattle to take this course. I love the interaction I had with people. I love the environment. It's very welcoming, very conducive, and the openness to keep the door open even after the boot camp to get in touch in the community and the alumni. It's really something that I find very useful. And of course, Seattle is a very nice place. I love the food so far. And I'm kind of really looking forward to whatever will bring me back to Seattle and taking some other courses.